Hi everyone and welcome to Memory Recall number 20, GCSE Higher. I can't believe we've made up to 20 already. So if you've worked all your way through these, absolutely phenomenal work. If this is the first one, it doesn't really matter what order you do these in fairness. You can kind of chip in and chip out, whichever way you want to do it. Jump in, any of them. They're all going to help, no matter which way you do it. So hi, and let's crack on today. By now you'll be aware of the content, so interleaving starter to start with, 4 questions, and then we're going to do our facts and formula test after, so let's see how we get on. So today we've got 4 questions. One is about compound interest, we've got a probability question, so expanding some brackets with some fairly tricky stuff in there, and another solving question. I've deliberately picked this one with a negative on because we did this in the Unit 43 quiz and not many people kind of did it well, so I thought maybe I'll go through it on this one. So pause the video here and we'll have a look in a minute. Okay guys, here are the solutions. So first one, if I bought a house in 1998 for £32,000 and it's increased in value by 13%, how much is it worth now? Well, we're going to do 32,000, we're going to times it by our multiplier to the power of 22, and we're going to get £470,842.58. I wish that was the case. Let's do the probability one next. Calculate the probability of rolling a prime number or flipping ahead. Now this is a tricky one. If you just do prime number a half, flipping ahead a half, or means add them together, half plus half is 1, you're going to get the wrong answer. And that's because some of the heads are also prime numbers, so you will end up double counting. I like to do a sample space diagram for these, so I've set up all the things that could happen, so 1 and ahead, a 2 ahead, and so on, and then I'm going to count the things that I'm interested in. So anything with a head, I've got 6 of them here. Okay, so that's 6, and then any of the others that are prime, so 2's prime, 3's prime, 5's prime, so 6, 7, 8, 9 out of 12. That's how we're going to do that one. Next one, let's have a look. Expanding out this bracket here, so we've got our fractions, some fractions here. Again, times the thing on the outside by each thing on the inside. So your first term, this y is a thing that lives at the top. It's a bit like thinking y over 1. So I've got 3y squared over 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Oh, where's the y gone at the top? Well, it's cancelled out with one of the y's at the bottom. So my y to the 4 at the bottom is now y cubed. And then solving this one, tan x equals minus 2 between 0 and 360 degrees. Problem you're going to have here is you put your principal value in your calculator, it gives you a negative number. Minus 63 is not between 0 and 360, so that ain't right. What we're going to have to do is, because tan repeats every 180 degrees, just keep adding 180 on until we get answers. So add 180 on, we get this value, that's between 0 and 360. I can add another 180, that's between 0 and 360 as well. Happy days, I've got 2 answers. Okay, today's formula, equation of a straight line, gradient. I've left this one in about surds, area of any triangle, quadratic formula, and area of a trapezium. Off you go. And here are your answers. So equation of a straight line, y equals mx plus c, gradient, changing y over changing x, or rise over run. When we're doing with surds, we can do it all as one thing. So root a times root b is the same as root ab. Area of any triangle, half AB sine C, quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus and minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and finally area of trapezium, half a plus b times by the height. Okay, let's see how we've done. Fingers crossed you've got all these ones right. If not, as ever, it's about learning from your mistakes. Do what you can. Okay, so Number 20. Let's see how many more of these we can get up to. If I do another, maybe 1 or 2 a week, the next 5 weeks we might get up to 30. If you've got any topics that you want me to cover, please get in touch or speak to me when we're in school, and hopefully I'll be seeing you soon. Bye!